Welcome to Happy-Go-Lucky Land. So you've had the fortune to get invited to this do-it-yourself amusement park. This is a space in which space children and other aliens can escape the mundane reality of life on Earth. Everyone is welcome as long as they're nice and don't eat people. To have a good time here you'll need to know some house rules. 1. Happy-Go-Lucky Land is a holy place. Treat it and each other with respect. Just because something looks old or broken is not a reason to break it more intentionally. 2. Always be knolling. Put things back. Never leave sharp objects on the ground. Ever. We strive to be able to walk barefoot everywhere to stay grounded. 3. There's no safety in space. The rides are not safe. Play at your own risk. Parents are responsible for their kids. 4. Every space child is unique and different, and that's okay. We've got different needs and boundaries, respect that. 5. Nature is God. We are all as important as mosquitoes, birds and ants. Don't harm Mother Nature, don't use poisons. Wash only with eco soap, etc. Don't litter. 6. Happy-Go-Lucky Land is a place for space children. Do not impose normalcy on others. If you do that, there's a whole society out there for you. 7. Don't be a douche. If you are, you will have to leave. That's it. Once again, welcome and be nice. If you are, have a nice day.